I was so sick of hurting people that I loved that I thought it would just be better not to live anymore.
Rescued and Restored is a ministry dedicated to reaching those suffering from addiction by sharing with them the transforming power of the gospel, providing them with rehabilitative services, and supporting them in the restoration of their lives that they may achieve their God-given purpose.
This all started with a man named Brian, who I met at church. It was a chance meeting on a Sunday. Through our relationship, an amazing thing was Brian began to dream again. And he began to share some of his dreams and aspirations, some of the visions that God had given him. Unfortunately, it came to a tragic end. I got a phone call late one night from his mom. And I remember walking in the house and just, I knew. So following his death, it really sparked a fire in me. I realized there was a great need in the community. And I knew that the God that Brian and I talked about, the relationship that we had with Jesus Christ and reading scripture and sharing our thoughts and our dreams together, I knew that I could bring that to the community, and I knew it could give hope to those in need.
2017 came around and I started working, and I got introduced to methamphetamine. That's the night I tried it. And since then, I remember thinking in my head, like, I'm never gonna stop. This is amazing. I didn't realize how bad it was gonna change my life. The moment that I felt like I had lost all faith and hopelessness and everything, they were right there. And that's when my life changed, when I gave God the control and not me. God put Pastor Jim in my life for a reason.
And I lost both of my children to drug addiction. There are a lot of children who don't have family to take care of them, and I really believe that they are the real victims in all of this.
My name is Sarah, and I've been rescued and restored.
My name is Autumn, and I've been rescued and restored.